Hello, let me quickly explain how you can charge a Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So we've got actually one simple method. We have to put the charger into this pins. So you'll probably notice that you can find this charger, this cable with your box, and you will have to put it right here, but sometimes it doesn't actually stick because we got the magnetic attachment, so you will have to rotate your device and now it will automatically attach. And now, as you can see, we are connected with this charger, and we have to do something with this cable, right? So you can basically connect this cable into any device with power supply. So in this case, I'm going to show you how it actually works when I'm going to connect this into my phone. Take a look, it is connected, and now it actually starts charging the device. So you can connect this into the charging brick of your phone, into your PC, laptop, monitor, TV, basically any device with power supply. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.